We are pleased to show you the 2018 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, heated seats, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.